One way to look for issues within your community of practitioners is to start with social media. This morning, I've had some luck with Twitter, Reddit, and Insta. As you come across possibilities, think about whether you can voice them as how or why research questions. One key to your success is avoiding questions that would be answered with a simple yes or no, or with one well-cited fact or number. Another way to look for issues is to search for your practice online. If your practice is named by a phrase rather than a single word like mine, then you might want to encase that phrase with quotation marks so that all the words are searched together. I am also going to include an asterisk right after the last letter of the word podcast. This is a search technique which is called truncation, and the asterisk tells the search engine to look for other forms of the word. So in my case, words like podcasts, podcaster, and podcasting. While searching online, I would like for you to look specifically within news sites of record. So the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, the British Broadcasting Service, and National Public Radio. To do this, as you search, you would include, along with the name of your practice, the word site with a colon, and then the home address of the particular news organization. Today, my news site searches have led me to a number of issues, including plagiarism within the genre, the appeal of fictionalized true crime, the appeal of true crime generally, and more specifically, the appeal of true crime to women. I'm also seeing a couple of articles that might help me address the impact of the genre of true crime podcasts on the criminal justice system, both here and abroad.